Hello learners, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's topic is about some interesting tips for one of the most basic tools of Revit, levels. Firstly, I'm going to explain you briefly how to create levels. First, you need to go to Architecture tab, and under Architecture tab you will find Datum. Alright, over here you will see that the level is grayed out. This is because to create the level you have to go to either elevation or section. So we'll go to one of the elevations. Now over here we can already see level 1 and level 2 by default. To create a new level, we need to click on this level option. Now all you need to do is decide the height, click, drag and click, and your level is created. You can see a new level being added under the floor plan. You can double escape. Now in case you want to create more levels over here, one way is to keep creating it one by one again, so that you get it under the floor plan section and the ceiling plan section. Now another easy way of doing it is by selecting the level line and copying it and pasting at the desired level. But when you do so, you will notice one thing. Firstly, this level 5 is not displayed under the floor plan section or the ceiling plan section. Secondly, there's one more difference which you will notice. This is in blue color, this is in black color. Now understand, if a level line is in black color, which means it is only there for the reference of level. It is not a part of floor plan folder or the ceiling plan folder. Now how do we make it a part of floor plan folder? Click on the level line. Click on View. Here you will have something called Plan Views. Click on Plan Views. And over here you have Floor Plan. Click on this. Now here you will see level 5. You can click on it, OK. Now level 5 is also associated with a view. Floor Plan, level 5. So this is how you can convert a level into a view. Now after the level lines are created, if you want to change the length of the level lines, you can click on the level, look for this circle, click on this and drag it. What if you want to change the length of only one level line? Then click on the level line, unlock it first and drag it. Now let's say you have a 3D element in the drawing space and you want to change the extent of the level line till that 3D element. First, let's just create something 3D. We'll go to the floor plan. We will use the wall option and we will create some walls. Now when I go to the elevation, so I can see I have this 3D wall. Let me push it a bit further. Now what I want to do is, I want to change the extent of these level lines till this wall. So I can simply click on the level line, right click, and then there is an option for maximize 3D extent. So this will change the extent of the level line till the 3D element at the farthest point. Now for rest of the level lines, you can click on it and drag. While we are learning to change extents of level, let's see the difference between 2D and 3D extent. So if you click on a level line, on this side below the circle, you will see something as 3D. Now what does it mean? So if, let's say I unlock this and I change the extent in this way. Now when I go to the 3D view, I can see that the level line has been changed over here. But what if I don't want the lines to be changed in the 3D space and only I want it to be changed in the elevation? So to do that, what we need to do is, when we are trying to edit the extent, we have to change it to 2D. We will click on it and change it to 2D. So the circle will change into a dot. Now click on it and drag it however you want. Now when I check it in the 3D, it is not changed at all. So the changes are only going to be reflected in the 2D. Now coming to the most common question asked by the students, that is how to change the symbol of level lines. So whenever you want to change the symbol of the level line, it is actually a part of type properties. First, we need to go to insert and load a new family. Here we have level head circle, no bubble, triangle spot, again triangle. So let's say we want this one. So we'll select this family and open. Now click on this level line. Right now it is level 8 mm head. Understand that even the level lines are a type of family which needs to be modified, whose properties need to be modified. So we will click on it, we'll do edit type. Now the type properties box is opened up. Over here, we can see symbol which says M underscore level head circle. Now when I click on this, I get the list and I can see the triangle is added over here. Click on this, apply, OK. Now all the level lines will have a triangle head. Similarly, if you want to change the color of the line, you can click on this, edit type, and over here you can change the color, whatever you want. You can change the line weight, you can even change the line pattern. So from here you can make it solid, long dash, whatever you want, you can make it. And this way you can edit the level lines. Also, if you want to make the changes in the name, you just need to click on the level line, click on the box, and you can make whatever changes you want. Enter. Even with the height, you can click on the box and you can make the changes. So these are few of the helpful tips regarding levels. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you all. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.